Hello everyone, and welcome to Sour Horsepower. First, I just want to wish everyone a happy holidays, we'll say. No matter what holiday you celebrate, if you're subscribed to Sour Horsepower, happy holidays. It is currently Christmas Eve here. Pretty nasty, actually really nasty weather outside. So this is our first video from inside of the our new 124 Spyder Abarth. And as you can probably see, we got something to take care of today. So in my little overview intro video of this car, I said it was kind of a bad idea to buy a two-door manual rear-wheel drive sports car in December. Well, that proved to be the case, because not even a week after we got it, actually it was maybe about a week, I'm sure most of you guys heard about Winter Storm Gale. We got about 6 inches of snow and a little bit of ice on top of that where we live, and basically made this car useless because it comes on Bridgestone summer tires. So to I guess make the car slightly more usable during this time of year, we have now bought some new tires for it. We are on our second trip to the dealership because clearly this is not a very big car to take tires in. So we got the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s. Not sure if you can see that. If not, I'll show you more later, but probably one of the best all-season tires you can get on the market right now. It scores high in every category, from dry handling, wet handling, snow traction. So it's a very good all-around tire. Now we are going to keep the summer tires that are on the car and probably try and sell them, because the car only has I don't know if you can see it, but 766 miles on it. So the tires are still basically brand new on it. We only had the car for 3 weeks. And yeah, so that's the plan. We'll get down to the tire shop. I'm not sure how good they're going to be with letting me film it, but we'll see what we can do. And if not, then when we get back to the house, I'll show you the tires some more. Hopefully, if it stops raining. If it doesn't stop raining, this video might just have to go out tomorrow, when I can actually drive the car and feel the tires out when it's dry out, because there's no point pushing it when it's wet. So stay tuned to find out what's next, because I have no idea. All right, everyone, so we are back. Got the new tires fitted. Let's run out here in the rain real quick. See, Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s. All four corners. Got the standard size. We didn't change the size. Let's see, what are they? I don't even know what they are. Where are they hitting? Oh, there we go. 205 45 17s. So we're gonna hide it in the garage because of the rain. Initial impressions of the tires are good. I mean, I only drove them, you know, what's that, 7-8 miles to get home. So we're gonna have a full in-depth driving review once, you know, the weather clears, when it's not snowing and there's not salt all over the roads. Hopefully, the good thing is the rain here is gonna wash all the salt off the road, so hopefully we can take it over to one of my favorite back roads in the area and test out not only the car but the tires themselves, because I really haven't driven this car in anger yet, and the little bit that I have driven it's very good. So stay tuned. Hopefully maybe this weekend, depending on how the weather shakes out and if the roads are cleaned off, might be able to go get that driving video done, so it'll go up next week. But actually, I don't even think I pointed this out. We did end up getting tint on the car. Let's run out here again real quick. See how that looks in the... Ended up going 25% all the way around on the car. One other thing we do have to take care of, you can actually see all the moisture from the outside. I opened up the garage and now the challenge is getting all fogged up. But it's going to be a tired day, because clearly race season's now over, because we have, you know, rain and there's a little bit of snow left out there. But we got to get tires swapped out, put these on, so if we do have a nice day during the winter, I could end up maybe driving it. And then plus the ET Street R's, you're not supposed to store them in temperatures like, you know, below 40 degrees. So I'm going to take these off. They're going to go down in the basement so they can stay nice and toasty, nice and warm over the winter. But yeah, let's go ahead and swap the wheels for the last time in 2020. All right, so just like that, the wheels are finally swapped over. So I got my little space heater here that I was using to dry out the garage and to get some of the residue from all the moisture off the car. But it's been a couple months since we had the stock wheels on. They're actually a little dirty. I didn't realize I never cleaned them before I took them off last time. But so that's going to be it for today's video, and just kind of I guess a maintenance day, just trying to get things done. But got the new tires on the Abarth. We got our all seasons on the Hellcat. And then, yeah, so like I said earlier, next video, hopefully the weather cooperates. And our next video is going to be with the Abarth, doing a driving video, giving you guys my impressions. If not that, if the weather doesn't cooperate and the roads aren't clean, then I might do one of those, 5 things I hate about it. I don't know if I can come up with 5 things though, but stay tuned. Again, happy holidays to everyone watching this video, all my subscribers, everyone basically. We're creeping up on 700, which is nice. I'm not sure we're going to hit it by the end of the year, which was kind of a goal of mine, but it's okay. We're growing. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you guys clicking on the videos and watching them and stuff. So that's going to be it. We're going to close this out for today. Take care. Have a great day.